destination at my own free will, but it left me looking to get higher still. Oh, and the answer, well, who would have guessed? Could be something as simple as...
Morning, what's up? कैसे हो? Welcome back to a new video. Just finished reading and last 2 हफ्ते से मैं हर ऐसे I don't know कोई भी एक दिन पे सोचता हूँ कि I'm going to get a haircut but I forget. So next video के पहले I will have like a shorter haircut. मुझे एक question answer करना था that I sometimes get from time to time is that how much do I earn from YouTube. So वो explain करने के भी पहले I want to explain कि how do I see earnings, and earnings can be in 2 ways. It can be tangible, it can be intangible. आप जो भी काम करते हो earnings can be in 2 ways. It can be money, it can be the stuff that they send you, it can be eatables, it can be anything, या फिर the rewards can be intangible. And let me explain. When I started YouTube, मेरा confidence, मेरे speaking skills काफ़ी ज़्यादा कम थे. Like I couldn't ever, like I remember the first time जब भी मैंने video बनाया था, there were like a lot of cuts etc. आप वीडियो पीछे जाके देख सकते हो. There were a lot of cuts and मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा nervous था, like talking to the camera, and even while talking to people मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा shy था. And that has like changed over time. I have gotten better and better at articulation, at like expressing what exactly is in here to the camera, and that has come with practice and repetition over. And दूसरी चीज़ that YouTube has given me is accountability, क्योंकि आप खुद से एक promise करते हो, okay you are likely to do it more, but जब भी आप एक promise करते हो on a public platform that I am going to see it through, तो फिर मतलब एक 500 लोगों के सामने जब भी आप किसी एक चीज़ को बोलते हो तो फिर you are more and more likely to do it than आपने खुद से promise किया. The third thing that I learned from YouTube, and इसके लिए मैं आपको थोड़ा सा back story दे देता हूँ कि आई रिमेंबर कि प्लेसमेंट के इंटरव्यूज़ हो रहे थे 2 years ago एग्जैक्टली फ्रॉम नाउ. आई थिंक 2 years ago या फिर 2 years ago, लिटिल ओवर 2 years ago. एंड आई रिमेंबर कि लाइक एवरी सिंगल स्टूडेंट गिविंग इंटरव्यूज़ मेरी थोड़ी फटी हुई थी. बट मैंने किसी को भी ये चीज़ बताई नहीं है, बट आई फील कि यू आर द राइट पर्सन, कि आई वॉज स्कैर्ड, क्योंकि इंटरव्यू जो होता है वो ऑब्वियसली मैं पहली बार दे रहा था, लाइक अ प्रोफेशनल जॉब इंटरव्यू. And what helped me is that I think मेरे subscribers were like 500, 600, 700 something, and I realized कि okay, if 700 people watch me and उसमें से at least half of you every single week जब भी मैं upload करता हूँ तो फिर you are watching a video, तो फिर there is at least some value that I am providing whenever I talk. And that is the confidence that I carried in the interview. And ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं that I cannot really put a price behind. इसीलिए I get like very confused कि whenever someone asks me, be it Instagram पे also कोई लोगों ने पूछा, YouTube comments में भी कभी and even my friends ask कि तू इतने टाइम से YouTube videos बना रहा है, how much do you earn from it? क्योंकि people like usually people just see the tangible benefits. ये सारे sponsorships, brands ने मुझे जो भी भेजा है वो सारी चीज़ें people see कि okay इतने views आ रहे हैं, इतने ad revenue वगैरह, वो सारी चीज़ें. but we fail to see what we are getting, the intangible benefits जितने भी सारे होते हैं. And I think I have like 250 videos on my channel. इसके पहले before doing YouTube, whatever I would do, I would try 10 times, and if I fail, I would drop it. But YouTube is like I get comments कभी कि okay तेरे सिर्फ 1.86K, तेरे सिर्फ 1.5K, तेरे सिर्फ 1000 सब्सक्राइबर कैसे है. तेरा कंटेंट देख के लगता है कि it deserves like 500,000, it deserves 1 million. I get these from time to time, and I just don't do it for numbers. I've stopped thinking about the numbers game. But what I am proud of myself, of the fact is that चाहे views कितने भी आए, चाहे views कभी ज़्यादा आते हैं, कभी कम आते हैं, what I do when I pick up the camera is I stay true to myself, to who I am, to the person that I am in the very first video, and I don't change anything for views. And I am in a position जहाँ पे I can do that क्योंकि मेरा monetization like मेरे 4000 watch hours complete हो गए, मेरे 1000 subscribers complete हो गए. I am like eligible for monetization, but I have not switched on the monetization tab. टैक्स डिटेल्स वगैरह वगैरह यू जस्ट हैव टू सबमिट लाइक मतलब बहुत ही कम्बर्सम प्रोसेस है. इट विल टेक लाइक 2 घंटे बैठ के मैं कर सकता हूँ, बट आई डोंट रियली वांट टू, एंड आई डोंट रियली वांट टू अर्न फ्रॉम यूट्यूब एज ऑफ नाउ क्योंकि आई लाइक टू मेक वीडियोज़. आई जस्ट लाइक टू मेक वीडियोज़. आई डिड नॉट इवन थिंक जब भी मैंने चालू किया, इवन व्हेन आई वाज 50 वीडियोज़ इन, इवन व्हेन आई वाज 100 वीडियोज़ इन, कि मुझे इससे कमाना है क्योंकि द intangible benefits that I get from it outweigh the tangible, the monetary benefits. इतने subscribers, इतना ad revenue, it outweighs it so much. I cannot put a price on it. इसलिए like whenever I get asked कि how much do you earn from YouTube, I do not have an answer. So जितने भी people who are like wondering, who may or may not have commented कि okay how much does this guy earn from YouTube, that is the answer. I cannot really put a price behind it. I just can't क्योंकि YouTube gave me something कि it taught me to believe in myself. I don't know कि if I did not have a platform like YouTube and I did not have you all, तो फिर मुझे नहीं पता होता कि how many times I would have done the same thing over 250 times, and that is going to translate to other aspects of my life. Because failure is just like you are just going to fail over and over and over again. How many times do you get back up, change your method slightly, and then do it again? 250 is my number. That is something that I wanted to answer in this vlog. And हमारा आज का जो दिन है, that is slightly different. The time is 7:35 and मेरे ऑफिस के hours this week are like a little bit different. 8 to 4 है, तो फिर I have 25 minutes to be very precise to make चाय. and सिर्फ चाय बनाना है, डेस्क क्लीन करना है, लैपटॉप निकालना है, एंड या आई विल सी यू गाइस. शाम को वर्कआउट करेंगे आज, एंड टुडे इज़ अ फुल बॉडी सेशन एंड जस्ट डिफरेंट प्रायोरिटीज़. ये वीक मैं बस 3 बार ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ, मे बी 4 times, लेट्स सी. बट या सी यू गाइस. आई थिंक सीधा विल मीट सीधा जिम में, एंड या सीधा जिम में मिलते हैं. So I think this is a few days after, not like very एक second, not very sure after. I think last clip was recorded last week, याद नहीं मुझे. But currently मैं अभी एक कप कॉफ़ी बना रहा हूँ, ब्लैक कॉफ़ी, and slightly like एकदम थोड़ा सा खड़ी शक्कर, and क्योंकि I just like need the energy. कुछ भी खाया नहीं है मैंने, गर्म है, but कुछ भी खाया नहीं है मैंने. Just a quick coffee, or yeah, today's leg day. And I think the last clip in this video was like me explaining something about YouTube. Yeah, it's just been a while since I talked to the camera, but I just saw this ये वाला जो पार्ले जी का पैकेट है, and ये मुझे सुबह चाय के साथ पीना था, but I forgot. And black coffee के साथ just having parle ji feels like a sin. बस लग रहा है कि just like committing a crime, मतलब पुलिस आ जाएगी, जेल वेल हो जाएगी. तो फिर just going to wait for like 2 more minutes. उसके बाद add थोड़ा सा खड़ी शक्कर, wait for it to cool down, और yeah, just see you at the gym.
inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind, just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Let the darkness take control. Let the darkness take control. Darkness take control. May the darkness take control. Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Sink to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control. Darkness take control.
एब्स के वर्कआउट के बीच में आई जस्ट गॉट अ बिग क्रैम्प. मेरा फ़ोन वगैरह ये शुभम वाज लाइक लकीली देयर वहाँ पे डायरेक्टली एंड ही पास आई कांट इवन आई जस्ट हैव ह्यूज क्रैम्प. मैं बैठ नहीं पाऊँगा फॉर लाइक 5 minutes, बट द वर्स्ट पार्ट इसकी मैं खड़े भी नहीं रह पा रहा लाइक विदाउट बीइंग इन डिस्कम्फर्ट. आई जस्ट हैड लाइक एक पूरा लीटर ऑफ वाटर ख़त्म कर दिया. एंड आई ऑल्सो हैव अ हर्निया. आई डोंट नो कि मैंने आप लोगों को भी बताया, बट आई जस्ट हैव अ हर्निया. आई डोंट नो इफ लाइक समथिंग, बट पता नहीं मैं अपना वेट भी नहीं कर रहा था. इट वॉज लाइक जस्ट 90 pounds, बट I think this would be like worst heart cramp. Honestly, I think कि black coffee has got a little to do with it, क्योंकि black coffee is like, I mean coffee, caffeine in general is like just dehydrates you. And dehydration just leads to cramp. But on my way back, I'm just going to buy like 1 to 2 bananas and have them along with my post-workout shake. But like for now, I just want to like get home and just lie down. Oh, just it's bearable, but like 2 minutes पहले unbearable था, but it is bearable now. I'm just getting a weird as I just someone has put a vacuum cleaner on my lower right ab and they're just like pulling the intestines out of it. Oh fuck. Just I don't know, ये वाला जो मतलब I just have like weird PTSD abs करने से and yeah, like every single time थोड़ा सा भी progress होता है and abs maybe I don't know, maybe it is just like trying to teach me कि भाई take your ORS, have plenty of bananas which have potassium. Pain gaya, yes, but I'm not going to do another set I can do मतलब the next time I train, so I can give like 3 to 4 good sets, not doing them right now, but honestly fuck, hate getting arm cramps.
My heart.
So I've just finished the workout and I really don't know कि ये गाड़ी अंदर कहाँ से होके जैसा गेट का है भी मतलब हमेशा हम चलने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. सो आई जस्ट फिगरिंग गाड़ी कहाँ चाहिए. बट वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब एक्सेट्रा वो सारी चीज़ें. एंड या मैं मिलूँगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो.